Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text, how to text box in italic text in Gold Look. So get ready started. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. Then waiting, then we can see is waiting. This problem for is not. Then now click for the text box and create a text box. In click for text box is the show the text box and change the background color and click for the fill color option, then choose color and border color. This text box is write your text. This all text is italic and select for all text. Selected all text and going to the more menu option, click for the more menu option and this click for the italic version. Now click change the text color. This okay. So again click for the italic version and change it. Then click for the save and close option. That's okay. Then show the text box in italic text in gold looks. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.